In this video, I'll show you how to pause listings temporarily on Booking.com. So as always, when you're managing things on Booking.com, we're going to use the extranet, which is just admin.booking.com. But again, if you put up a listing, this is where you do everything. So highly likely you already knew that. Now, what we want to do is on the group homepage, you'll see all your operations. And what you want to do is just click on the specific one. I'm just using a screenshot for this. So once you're loaded into your specific property, or if you have only one property, you'll be immediately brought here. And what you want to do is go to the top and click on the property dropdown. And then you want to click on general info. Then in general info, you'll see property status and then snooze your listing. Click on that. And now here in snooze your listing, all you need to do is tell them why you want to snooze this property. Then, do you want your property to remain open for bookings beyond the snooze period? Yes or no? And then you want to choose your snooze start date and your reminder date. Then it'll show you that you have so many upcoming bookings that you need to satisfy before you can snooze. If you can't satisfy these, you need to contact the support team. Otherwise, click on I will honor these bookings and hit next. And then you'll be brought to a little review screen, and all you need to do is click on done. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.